Welcome to the Spectrum 9.2 Upgrade Training video on Workcenters and new queries. In this video, we will navigate and learn how to use the new feature of Workcenters. We will discuss dashboards and review the new queries. Let us begin with navigation and layout of Workcenters. Workcenter is a new feature in 9.2 that is designed to provide easy access to your most commonly used information in one spot. To access Workcenter, you select Main Menu at the top, then select GSU and GSU Workcenter. In the GSU Workcenter, you'll find a list of links, queries, and reports that you can run right here in the Workcenter. When you select a link, query, or report on the left-hand side, it'll bring up in the middle of the page for you to run. So for this example, we brought up the Budgets Overview to run. You can also bring up the actual drill down report. The GSU Workcenter is highly customizable, so you can add links, queries, and reports that you use frequently as well. To add a link, query, or report, select the drop-down arrow in the section you wish to add something to, and then select Personalize and follow the directions. To find out more information about adding a link, query, or report, please see the Spectrum Training website. Next, we will talk about the dashboard inside the GSU Workcenter. To access the dashboard, select the link GSU Dashboard on the left-hand side, and this will bring up the dashboard in the middle of the page. The dashboard has several different little pagelets to provide you quick information about your department and the speed type you wish to look at. The first pagelet shown here is Department Balance by Speed Type. This shows for specific speed type what the budget is, the encumbrance, and the expenditures. If you select on any of the links, it'll provide you more information in a new tab. Once done reviewing this page, you can close this tab without losing any of the information on your previous page. The next pagelet shown is the Recent Requisition Summary. In this pagelet, you can find recent requisitions for the speed type you have chosen. To see more information about that particular requisition, select the link and it'll open a new tab for you to access PantherMart. If you're not logged in, you'll need to log into PantherMart, and then it'll bring you directly to the requisition for you to review. Once you're done reviewing the PantherMart requisition, you can close the tab and return directly back to the GSU dashboard. The next pagelet is the Reports list. This will show reports you have run recently. You can access these reports easily by selecting the link next to the report you wish to view. The report will come up on a new tab, and you can review it, and when done, you can close the report and return to the dashboard. The pagelets on the dashboard are customizable, so you can choose which pages you wish to look at. To do this, select Personalized Content on the top right. The pop-up window shows the possible pagelet windows. The ones checked are the ones that are currently shown. To add one, just check the box. To remove one, deselect the box. When finished, press Save. And now you'll see the free balance chart has been added. If the pagelet does not automatically appear, you may need to refresh your browser or log out. This chart shows the department balances for different accounts. Please note that pagelets added to the dashboard do slow the system down. Please consider only adding pagelets that you think you will use. Important setup note: the very first time you log in, you'll need to enter the department or speed type you wish each pagelet to review. To set up the pagelet, select the gear icon dropdown and select Personalize. This will bring up the information for you to complete, and once you have entered it in, select Save. This will need to be done for every pagelet. Next, we'll discuss new queries available in the Workcenter. The new queries are listed on the left-hand side in the Workcenter. The first one we'll look at is Speed Type Lookup. This query can do several things. First, it could tell you for specific speed type the account and department information. To find this information, just enter the speed type you wish to review and select View Results. This query can also show you all the speed types for a specific department or fund code. In this next example, we'll look for all the speed types that have departments that start with 612. Select View Results for more information. The next query we'll look at is PO by speed type. This query will show you more information about POs by a specific speed type. Enter the speed type and select View Results. Here is the list of the POs for the specific speed type. You can find out more information about the POs by selecting the PO link. The information about the PO will be brought up in a new tab. You can review the information, and when finished, you can close the tab and return to the previous page. Instead of seeing all POs for this speed type, you can also limit it by budget year. Now the only POs will be listed will be for fiscal year 2014. The next query we'll review is Vouchers by speed type. Similar to the last query, you can enter your speed type and budget reference year if desired. Next, select View Results to see the vouchers. This will bring up the list of vouchers by speed type and the specific budget year. For more information about the voucher, select the link. The fourth query we'll review is Department Balances by speed type. This query will show the budget, encumbrances, and expenditures for a specific speed type. It can also be limited by year if desired. This shows a summary of the budgets for each account for the speed type. You can select the link to find out more information about the budget, encumbrance, and expenditures. The system will bring up the information in a new tab for you to review. When done, you can just close it and just return to the other tab. The next query is Department Balance by chart fields. This query provides several ways to look up department balances. It can be done by department. It can be done by fund or class as well. Enter the information and select View Results. The results here show balances for several departments and their different accounts. Again, you could select Budget, Encumbrance, or Expenditure links to find out more information. The next two queries listed, Project Balances by speed type and Project Balances by chart field, are similar to the previous two queries except regarding projects. The last query, Requisition Summary, will list all the requisitions by chosen speed type and provide a link to Panthermart to view that specific requisition. Log in if needed, and then this will provide direct link to the requisition. When you're done reading the requisition, you can close up the tab and be returned to the previous page. This concludes the GSU Workcenter training. In summary, we discussed how to navigate to the GSU Workcenter. We discussed how Workcenters and dashboards provide more information and easy access to links, queries, and reports. We also discussed some of the new queries that are available in Workcenter. For more training opportunities, please visit the Spectrum website.